Hey, ma'am.
Hi.
Hey.
Oh, I think I need it.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on. That's pretty. That's cool. I received a letter from my stalker, and so I just need to file a police report on it.
Okay. So have she's been served and all that, and you guys went to court and stuff so far, or still haven't went
We're
to court?
still working on it.
Okay.
Give me 1 second. Let me get my half-shaved doodle back in the house. Hi. Let's go inside. Come on, let's go get a snack. Okay? That's the opposite direction. Huh? He's friendly. Come on. Let's go. Doubles. Come on, let's go get a treat. Let's go. Come on.
Oh,
Do you want a snack?
he got his toy.
Oh. Come on, buddy. Get your taco. Are you showing him your taco? I know. Come on. Let's go trade that in for a snack. You want a water? You want a water or anything?
No, I'm okay, ma'am.
Oh, come on, let's get a snack. Double. Get inside. Alright, he's okay, right?
Yes, he's fine.
I will let you know in a second. I was not nice. Sorry.
Oh no, you're fine.
This is a mess. So this was in my mailbox this morning. I'll just let you read it.
03.
Just tells you. Sure you don't want to water anything?
Yeah, 3.
No, I'm fine, man.
03, holding a work traffic in CR2B reference to a light next cycling problem. Clear.
He's not here to pet you, baby.
Star 131, 789.
131 close any still.
Clear.
And this was put in the mailbox.
I've already called the U.S. Business Office.
Okay.
Sierra 110.
Yeah, just thinking. Give me 1 second, I give you a
I mean, at least you take college anyways.
Yeah, I said.
It's like, they'll just look up there, darling.
Yeah.
The level of crazy in there makes it to the point where it's like, all right, crazy person's still on me.
It's going to be
Yeah,
Roswell Road.
which is
That's
kind
nothing
of
new.
crazy that they
They're
haven't
about
even
to, like,
served her any
like,
papers or
up
did
there.
anything in regards to her, and it's still an ongoing
Fulton County
situation.
DA's office is quite the peach. I guess they're real busy with Young Thug.
Yeah. Yeah. Give me 1 second, ma'am, and I'll be right back.
Sierra 120. Could you contact ATO for an ETA, please?
Really? 120 less than 10.
I'm clear. Thank you much.
Zero 130, 26 in the area.
Received.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Your telephone number still hasn't changed, correct?
No, sir.
Okay,
Still the same.
still the same.
Yeah.
There you go. That's the case number.
Thank you.
And that is still against Leanne. Email. Okay. Yeah, so it'll be all documented.
And then it's got in there something about SWAT. If she SWATs my house, what do I do? That's
so,
a genuine question. Like, I don't, like, that's an insane, but at
Yeah.
this point,
because I don't even think they have. Do they even have her address?
no.
No.
She's erased herself.
Yeah, which is kind of hard if she.
It is.
The only thing so if she shows up, just give us a call. We can try to make it out here as fast as possible.
But if she calls SWAT on my house, like, how hard is that to get
It's
someone
hard.
to call SWAT?
That-
Okay.
that
So she's
is
just
not-
throwing something out there
Yeah,
to make
that
me
is
scared.
that is not nothing that.
Okay.
So we have to be out here in order for them to be initiated.
Okay.
So
So they're not
we'll
just gonna, like,
respond to it.
show my
No.
Okay.
It'd be a regular officer to come here. They'll look and see if everything is okay, and then if nothing warrants anything else, the only time SWAT comes out if it's like somebody being held hostage in there.
Right.
But
But she
if,
can't just call in.
no,
and
she
say
can't
that.
call it.
Okay.
Well, she can call and say someone's being held hostage, but we have to come here to verify. Knock on your door. You come and talk to us, and then you just so happen to let us just be like, "Hey, is everything okay?
Right,
Nobody
yeah.
else is in here." And from that point, we'll leave and know that it's something off. Okay, but then we'll document it that she's making fictitious calls, and then that'll be annotated on the call history as well.
Wonderful.
And then we might be able to track her down by that telephone number that she provides, because then they can ping it off cell phone towers and see exactly where she is. So if she
And
does do that, then it just
And
makes
if I feel I have somebody following me, what's your best advice?
pretty much record. Give us a call, or wherever you are. Call whatever department it is. Start recording your surroundings, and then you can see. Just look for like different vehicles. Start turning off different streets, odd streets where you normally wouldn't turn off of, just to like throw it to see if that vehicle is actually
Yeah, and
following
I
you.
do that. I do
Okay.
that. I mean, already it's been years.
Yeah.
Dealing with this.
Yeah, she's a tricky one to. But then again, you
Then
know.
again, she signed this our family. So
Yeah.
it's like, well, if she's starting to slip, that's obviously a
Yeah.
mental break letter. Like, that's not a.
Yeah, that's one that's
It's a
just
lot of commas.
everywhere, and it's nothing specific. It's just
Just enough to let me know
Yeah.
she's watching me.
which is the crazy thing too, because usually the post office don't send stuff unless you just drop it in the mail.
I think that's what she did. I think she just
Yeah,
took
drop it in the mail. Sometimes they don't send anything like that based off of things like this, because there's no return address on it. So it's usually supposed to be discarded because there's no return address.
Okay. Good to know. Well, I'm speaking with I spoke to the National Inspector Service
Okay.
a little while ago before you got here, and then they told me to make sure to touch base with the Atlanta local one on Monday.
Okay.
That they would track, I guess, this little stripey thing on here.
To see which post
To
office
see
it
which
actually
post office,
came
and
from.
if it was from a box or an office, and if it was an office, then I'll have cameras, all that kind of stuff.
Okay. Yeah, 'cause that would help narrow it down too.
One of these things,
It's yeah, she's playing
playing a dangerous game.
a goose, and eventually you get caught. So
Yeah, I just am trying to stay vigilant and
yeah,
myself.
yeah. Don't let her like try to throw in any of those tactics. Like none of that stuff can happen from
She's a gaslighting
just
master.
yeah. Nothing can happen from just her calling up and saying that. She can make false calls all day, but somebody has to check it out to make sure
Okay.
everything is okay before anything else is initiated.
I appreciate
Yeah.
that. Thank you so much again for
Yes,
coming out.
ma'am.
Have a beautiful rest of
You
the day.
too.
Hope
It's
a
an
sunny day
yeah,
rolls
it's a
around.
nice day outside
Yeah.
after the rain.
Yes. Yes, sir. Well, have a good one. I
You
appreciate
too.
your time.
All right, ma'am.
0120, 826.
Received.